job. Between doing paid restoration work, 95 Wrangler Jeep. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess, but structurally it's solid. So basically I've started stripping it down. It's going to go down to the bare tub, get the tub blasted and repaired. Needs a few bits welding up. Blast the chassis, paint it, seal it, all new pipes, brake pipes, everything. There's a long way to go before I get to that. That was a mission. A full day of rounding off bolts, snapping tools. What a nightmare. Every last nut and bolt in this thing's seized solid. But I think it's at a stage where I can lift the tub off. Stripped off the Jeep. Need lots of new bits, especially this rotten dash piece. If anybody knows where I can get one of them, let me know. The canopy, fiberglass, so we have soda blasted it. Just busy prepping it for the paint shop. The chassis is down to the bare bones, just left the axle so it can roll it. The body's completely stripped now. They're just waiting to go to Aquablasting to get wet blasted next week. All the body panels stripped bare, ready to go to be aquablasted over at enviroblasting.co.uk. I had to go with a soda blaster and it comes off really good, but it takes forever. Whereas wet blasting, it'll do the same job, but it'll do it in a third of the time. Every little bolt so solid, so just saying them off. Progressing really well. All the paint, or nearly all the paint off the top. Chassis ready for blasting. Ton of stuff ready to go for powder coating. Still a few more bits to blast. You can see the difference with Aquablasting before and after. Just need a bit of clear coat on there. Etch primer on the servo. So this So progressing the right way now. Quick bit of edge primer on these bits so they don't rust, because I want to do them body colour, so they'll go to the paint shop. Is this not melted yet? Oh, there's a good glow on that now, that should put that. All loaded up, ready to go and get wet blasted tomorrow. All the panels. I'll load more panels in the boot of the car. So, let's see what sort of state this ends up in. Just back from Aquablasting.co.uk. Full tub, well, most of the inside wet blasted, all of the underneath. Chassis done, wheels done, body panels all done. So we have very little paint now. There's quite a few repairs have shown up, which I kind of thought it would. There wasn't half as much bodge or filler as I thought there was going to be. And a few little extra holes didn't know about. That's normal. That's kind of normal. And the ones I started cutting out and plating the other day. But all in all, it's not in too bad a shape. I mean, the floors are pretty good. So yeah, all in a day's work. Cheers to Ollie and the gang at Aquablasting.co.uk. As you can see, the chassis is taking shape. Bit of paint on it, all the holes welded up. Not that there was many. All the covers painted, bumper painted. Still battling on with the tub, welding up quite a few holes on it. And then I think we'll flip it upside down and paint all the underside. New wing there. Still waiting for the left wing, which is taking forever to come from Spain, I think. Milestone moments. All the welding is complete. And it's had a coat, the underside's had a coat of zinc paint and then a coat of underseal. Sorry the camera's a bit shaky, I'm excited to get this far. The chassis had yet another coat of Hammerite Smooth. So it's all done. All the welding and strengthening's been done, so I'm happy with that. Next is we're going to test fit the body onto the chassis with the 1-inch lift kit we've got from America. Just make sure all the panels fit before they go and get painted, and we need to drill holes and use riv nuts for all the fastenings for the spats for the arches, and then take it to bits and get it painted and put it together for the last time. But I'm really pleased with the outcome of that. The reason we've got a 1-inch body lift kit is it's cheaper than buying the original stuff, because all the original bushes were shot, rusted through, all the rubbers were perished. So we can now get like nylon bushes, and it's actually cheaper to buy a 1-inch lift kit. It's got huge wheels and tires anyway, so it'll cope with it, it'll not look silly. But we're getting pretty close to final assembly, hooray! The dash panel is rotten, so I've had to get another one from the States, but obviously it's left-hand drive. But if you look closely at the right-hand drive one, it's basically a left-hand drive one that's been converted. It's had a piece cut out of here and then transferred to here to make it right-hand drive. So from day one, all right-hand drive vehicles have basically just had this quite crude dash conversion. So some poor guy in the factory had to convert every single one to right-hand drive. So anyway, here's a replacement that came from the States. So I'll just have to do the same to that. And that's actually saved a lot of hassle, because I didn't know what to do about this, because it's beyond repair. Obviously I'll test fit the clocks before it gets painted, but all of this is behind the dash anyway. It's just the binnacles to hold the clocks.